du soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see about how you can install Python on your machine. Okay, who don't know about Python, how to install Python. So now just open your web browser and type www.python.org. If it will take wait, I went to another site. Python.org. Okay, welcome to Python.org. So now I have to download Python. Okay, the latest version. Let's see, Python download for Windows. Click on this thing and it automatically download it. Okay, so now after downloading you should open the exe file. Okay, so close this and give some good old refresh. Okay, give some good old refresh and open File Explorer and go to downloads. Okay, today morning only you saw that we are doing that thing. So this if you see the time, it's not a correct time. Okay, this is a wrong time. So this is not a wrong. It's not a correct time. The correct time in here is it's going to be 4. It's 3:50. Okay, so let's open this thing. Okay, let's open this thing. Give some give some good old refresh. And if you are going to download this, you have to check this box like add Python 3.10 to path. Click on this thing. Okay, and if you want, you can do a custom installation. You can put where to install, but I'll just install the default thing. And it will ask for, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You just give yes. Okay, and this will run. Okay, so okay, it will take some time. It takes some like 7 to 8 minutes. Yeah, stuff like that. Or depending on your machine, if your machine is so fast, it takes some smaller time to install this thing. Okay, yeah. So today morning also we installed LibreOffice. That was smoothly installing. But Python is a big programming language for mathematical statistics studies. Okay, so they can use. Okay, so we got some more to load. Okay, load fast. Yeah, yes. Okay, wait. So yeah, so we got Python.10 64-bit. Okay, IDLE, that's the IDLE compiler, and the Python has been set up successfully. And close it, refresh. So today we are going to install the Python we have installed. Now we are going to download Visual Studio Code and we are going to write some code. Okay, just a small thing. So if I go to Python, I can have this thing open. So I can have just Python. Oh, sorry. So in here we don't have clear CLS to do. It's a common. It will come like that. So we are going to install some. We are going to install Visual Studio Code. Before that, just taking one print and just type hello world. Just put in there. It's a hello world. Okay, so just close the thing. Okay, so now we are going to download Visual Studio Code. First, just close this thing, open and type. So in Visual Studio Code you have VS Code 4.deu. If you open this thing, okay, it directly takes to the online Visual Studio Code to do, or online Visual Studio Code to do it. So now you can see you have online. In this itself, all the things you can do, but we are going to really download the main software, install it, and do it. Okay. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, and you have the thing called code.visualstudio.com. Click on the link and takes your stable build. Okay, the stable build. In Insider you have so many things like that, but for me I'm going to download the stable build, because if you download stable build only, you don't have any bug stuff like that. If you download with the unstable, that's the Insider preview, you have some bugs. Okay, yeah. So you in Visual Studio Code you can do anything you want. You can do such as C++, C#, Java, Python, PHP language, .NET, all the things you can do. So you have Python, we have already installed Python. Okay. Hey wait, just a moment, it's installing or not? Yeah, it's showing that it's installing. Yeah, we got it. So now minimize the tab, close it. Now let's go to File Explorer, go to Downloads, and Visual Studio Code user setup. Okay, so now we can open it and install. Yes, it's going on. Yeah, it came. Let's minimize it. We can close the applications, because if you close application you have a free memory. So it's asking for if you want to read the license, just put accept. Okay, I accept the agreement. Next, back. Okay, so okay, good. Just read it again. Okay, next. Yeah, in here you add open with code action to the File Explorer, Windows Explorer file contacts menu. Like if you right click on this, you will say open with Visual Studio Code. You check that thing, you check all of the things. Okay, check create desktop icon. Next, install. Visual Studio Code will install very fastly. That's the main thing I like on Windows, not Windows, Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Yes, it's installing. Okay, there's so many files. And next video will be okay. I'll just tell you what the next video will be. Okay, showing launch Visual Studio Code. Okay, fine. So it automatically launched Visual Studio Code, and we are all set. Okay, so open the thing. So okay. I want the dark mode. Next section. Open it. Okay. Markers done. All markers done. Okay. All the things ready. But if you have Python, this also you can't edit some Python codes. You should go to extension. Okay. And you have to type Python extension. To do open Python extension, by Microsoft. Okay, now install. Okay, it will install. It will install quickly. If you do without that extension, you can't do anything. Like you can't run a file. So now I can tell you one thing. If you are going to do AI assistant, if you want to, that's my main thing to tell you. Okay, so if you're doing voice recognition, okay, what I speak to the computer, it should show the letter. For that, you should go to CMD. Okay, go to CMD. While that installs, go to CMD and type or just open a PowerShell. PowerShell. Okay, just open PowerShell because PowerShell only is the main to do. It's like a command prompt, but it's similar like command prompt, but PowerShell is very good. Okay, it's loading. Then meantime, you just go to here. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it has installed Python. Mark as done. Okay, it has installed the Python. So okay, so keep install. We are going to install Py audio. Then it will install quickly. Okay, Py audio, stuff like that. But it's not related to this content. Okay, so I'm just telling that you can do. Okay, installing Py audio. Okay, that will install. We can focus on Visual Studio Code. Just close it. Close file. New file. This machine is very laggy. Yeah, now let's open. Select a language. So you can see all the language, like you have SQL also, but you should install the SQL extension. We are going to Python and save this file as save as this thing. If you click on that, it will open a file explorer. Okay, so I hope this video will not be lagging. The admin section, I just put just one, no, just test, not even. I have that to computer. It's just this is the first time you are running a Python extension, so it takes some time. If you are in HTTP, it's very worse. Yeah. So this is at HTTP. I'll just show you. Okay, task manager. Let's go to task manager. So what I'm planning there, so HTTP and SSD, which is the boot time to do. Okay. So I'll just open the thing. Performance. In here, it's literally 4 GB DDR2 RAM. This HDD, and it's not very good, and it's not even a 1 TB. It's 466 GB, and the processor is very worse. Okay, so no data available. Okay, so next we will close this thing and just type some code like print hello world. Okay, print hello world. Okay, so now just file, not file, run. Okay, run, start without debugging. Okay, it will show the terminal. It will run. Yeah, it shows the hello world. Okay. Time out. Okay, time of 2 seconds. No, not 2, 20 seconds. Why? Wait a minute. 20. I think it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. 20. Time of 20. Okay, I think it will work. I think it's the timeout is not here. Wait. Print. Wait. Okay, I have typed hi Alan Joshua. Okay, just we run it. Let's see what is happening. Okay. The time is okay. I mixed with back file. Okay, what? it installed FireIDO. Okay, so let's see whether it's installed FireIDO. Let's see. While doing that, let's open a CM notepad. Let's open notepad and type. Let's echo something. Type something like. Hi, I am Alan Joshua, and here only we should use timeout 20 seconds. Echo. Okay, so we did that. Let's save. No, okay, it's still saving. Let's go to desktop. Save as test.create bat. Okay, yeah, the bat file now. Let's open it. It's what's happening. Should be coming. Yeah, so it shows that hi, I'm Alan Joshua. Timeout. So it's waiting for 20 seconds. I'll just put enter and it closes. Okay, so this is the thing. I'll just delete it. I'll just upload a video. Okay, the file is not recognized. Okay, no problem. Okay, so I'll just put the video. You have install application, but you can't uninstall. How you can uninstall the file without doing like this? Just type code without going to control panel or go like this, like uninstall. Can't do the uninstall. So the next video is that. So for more videos and for more shortcuts and for more live streams and for more install applications like this, subscribe now.